Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is me Kate and I'm back with another episode of our tutorial video. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to stop Facebook from announcing your birthday. Now without any further ado, let's start. First of all, launch the Facebook app on your device. And then you have to make sure they are logged into your account. Now, Facebook will notify everyone when it's your birthday. Now to turn that off, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon from the left side of the screen, and here scroll down and tap on the your about info. Once you tap on there, you will see this interface. Then scroll down in the basic info section. There you can edit your birthday if you tap on edit, and now scroll down on that basic info. You will be able to see your birthday. Tap on edit. Once you land on this interface, at the top that says birthday, and under that you will see audience is only me. If you tap on only me, there you can customize and make sure to select only me so that your birthday on your Facebook is private and Facebook won't be able to notify. Tap on only me, and the same with birth year. Tap on audience is on birth year and again select only me from there as well. Once you're done with that, Facebook will not notify about your birthday. How you can simply turn off Facebook from announcing your birthday. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon. And thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.